Today's video, as you guys have already read from the title, that it is a haul video. I'm doing a haul video after very long. I don't know, I kind of just like stopped doing hauls and I started doing more of reviews since, you know, whatever I buy, I might like it, I might not like them. So I thought like haul videos were kind of pointless. And so I would buy things, try them, and then review videos were more helpful, at least for me when I watch YouTube. Since the lockdown had started, I barely even bought anything. So as soon as everything started back in order and I could order things, I shopped a lot from Zara, Shein, everything, and Nykaa. So here are all my Nykaa boxes. Alright, so yeah, I thought I would share them with you guys, so let's just get into it. Now the first thing from my purchase is the Dot & Key toner. It is the 5% AHA skin clarifying liquid exfoliant. It retails for 700 rupees. It's on sale right now, I think 15% off the 700. So yeah, if you go and buy it now, you'll get 15%. If you have seen my product empties, I ran out of my Pixi Glow Tonic, which is the toner that I use. I usually like using toners that have glycolic acid. This comes in a pump like this, and you just spray it on your face. I will do a thorough review on this, so stay tuned for that. I really love it. It is a body scrub by Mcaffeine, and it is the Naked and Raw body scrub. Oh my god, so this one just has coffee. This is what it looks like. I have used it 3 or 4 times so far. Oh my god, it is divine. I love everything coffee flavored. So comes with a little spoon. If you have seen my older product empties video, you know I used to use the Forest Essential body scrub, and that filled my bathroom with a lot of red ants, which is why I had to switch to something else. And this is literally quarter of the price of what I used to pay for that, and does a better job than the Forest Essential. So I really recommend that you guys, if you're looking for a body scrub, give this one a try. It legit only has coconut oil and coffee. It retails for 500 rupees. It's actually 450 rupees, which is great for a bottle this big, by the way. So I ordered a Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. I ordered the mini one because I wasn't sure about my shade. Now my friend Arya had actually suggested that I try the Double Wear. I used their concealer, but I haven't tried their foundation, and I didn't know when the stores were going to be open and I could actually go try my shade and then buy it. So I ordered the sand, and I kind of just like did a swatch on my hand, and it actually matches. Like, it's a very close shade. So if I love it, I'm going to order the bigger one. This is what the bottle looks like. It's a very teeny tiny bottle. Now this one retails for 1800 rupees. But it's Estée Lauder. Everything from Estée Lauder is pricey, but equally amazing. So yeah, if you are someone who's also looking to buy a high-end foundation but you're confused, go for the minis. If you don't like it, don't buy it again. Nykaa also sent me a few of the Advanced Night Repair Serum sachets, or these packs that you can use. This is my go-to #1 serum in life. So yeah, always great to just have more of these, I guess. Now the next 3 things are this one, the Collosal. This is nothing like major. It's just Maybelline Collosal mascara, and I just was tired of using all these mascaras that I have here. I really wanted to try this one. I've actually never tried this one ever in my life, so ordered this. I'll let you guys know if I really like it, but I don't have super high hopes, but let's just, yeah. Now the next 2 things are these Maybelline lipsticks. I don't know, I just love Maybelline lipsticks for some reason. They are very affordable and really good. They're in the shade Mysterious. This one is Mysterious Mocha, and this one is the Rock the Coral. Now I want to show you guys the shades. It is beautiful. These are the 2 colors, and look how pretty they are. Oh my god. I am obsessed with lipsticks, and I just want more affordable options for you guys. These were on sale as well. There were 300 something, and I got them for 2 something. So yeah, 264, 74, 84, something like that. Look at this. This is so pretty. Both the shades are just amazing. Alright, the next thing is this MamaEarth face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. Now this one was free. I didn't pay for this. Yeah, I definitely didn't pay for this. It's non-greasy, prevents pimple, effective for hydration, all that good stuff. This is the first time I'm ever using MamaEarth products. I will show you what I have ordered. This was sent to me by Nykaa because I guess I ordered 2 things from their brand. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use this, or I might use this. I don't know. So we'll keep you guys posted if any of you are interested in MamaEarth moisturizers and stuff. Open other boxes. Okay, I've read so many good reviews about the MamaEarth onion hair mask, and honestly I just didn't read Nykaa reviews or anything. I literally did my research and I went ahead and read a lot of things. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this actually works and it's really good, because anything onion for my hair or any hair is so good. I make my own hair oil, so I mix onion in that. So this one came with onion and bamboo and all of that really good stuff. So I was really excited, and this retails for 600 rupees. I think it's on sale right now. Doesn't smell a whole lot of oniony, because when I make my oil it smells like shit, because I put garlic and onion in my hair oil. So if you guys haven't seen my homemade hair oil recipe that I religiously swear by and I use, I will link it down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I've uploaded that like 2 years ago. But anyway, so I'm really excited to try this. Let's see. I have high hopes. Alright, so the next product that I ordered from MamaEarth was the onion hair oil, and this retails for 400 rupees. Again, all the good stuff in it. I ran out of my oil actually, and I was really lazy. Me and my mother-in-law both were kind of lazy to just like remake the oil, because it does take a little bit of effort. So I was like, you know what, let's just try this. So I'm hoping it'll be good. I haven't tried using it yet. I will let you guys know in my further videos if I really like it or not. This is the packaging, and it's just simple, comes with in a plastic bottle like this. It has all the good stuff: sunflower oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, bringraj oil extract, amla, gurhar oil, brahmi oil, onion extract, vitamin E, sesame oil, castor oil, onion seed oil, lime essential oil. So yeah, really good stuff. So I'm hoping it'll work. Now this one is a deep exfoliate and energizing bubble clay mask. You're supposed to apply like a thin layer on your face and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. I'll obviously leave it for like 7 to 10 minutes. Always do that extra. Gently massage and then scrub away. So I am hoping this is like, you know, all those bubbling masks. I have used a bubbling mask before. I want to see if this is a dupe for, again, Pixi Glow 2 Oxygen Glow Mask, because that was again a glow, like foaming, I don't know, a bubbling mask. But for the price, that I think in India is 2,200 and this one was 800. So again, a big price difference. And you know, if a product works, I have no problem in using it. It has a little spoolie, comes in a very pretty glass jar like this, and you get 80 grams of product for 800 rupees. Now the next one is the Maybelline Lasting Drama 36-Hour Gel Liner. I got the shade 01 Black. It's just a black eyeliner. This retails for 500 rupees. And I wanted a black liner, to be honest. I realized that I have liners of all different colors, like mostly brown, but I don't have black. I don't have black in a pot. I had MAC brown in a pot, MAC burgundy in a pot, Bobbi Brown brown in a pot, but no black. I don't know why. So of course I'm not gonna go out and buy Bobbi Brown pot. That would cost me 2,800 rupees. So yeah, Maybelline does the job. So yeah, it comes with a little brush as well, so that is really good. Really dark, because I wanted something that was black. Alright. Oh my god. Yeah, that is black. Insane black. I love it. I honestly love it. Now last but not the least is the Nykaa's Lips Don't Lie lip liner. And this is in the shade Pillow Fight 02. I don't know why I ordered this, to be very honest. I usually am not a lip liner girl. I have enough lip liners, but here and there usually I have that itch to just try different brands, which is why I ordered a liquid liner. I ordered a lip liner, but anyways, I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right. Okay, so the Nykaa lip liner is for 280 rupees. Ooh, look at that. I really love the color. This is going to match perfectly well with my driver's seat. Yeah, Smashbox, or just in general, any lip color. But yeah, really good, non-expensive lip liners. Alright, so I think I'm done showing everything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!